A significant number of young voters between the ages of 18 to 21, 22 are going to be voting for the Delhi elections. Now, when it comes to Delhi city, yes, women's safety and crime are on top of their priority list. This is what they want their member of parliament to address. But apart from that, a range of these issues that youngsters are going to be voting upon or voting on this time around. I spoke earlier to a bunch of these young women. Listen in to what they said. वो सबसे पहला काम क्या करें? Whoever you choose.
Safety for women first, and
then education quality.
Okay, you?
Hygiene.
All right.
Infrastructure.
Infrastructure. What about you?
Yeah, sanitation and education in my locality.
Okay, your
mainly women's safety.
Women's safety is a big issue. I want to know how important is crime an issue for you? Crime and safety of women.
I feel like जैसे कि गुजरात में there are places where women like leave their houses at night, but Delhi में हम ऐसे नहीं घूम सकते रात में. So like to make a much safer surrounding, I wanna feel like रात में भी हम घूम सके आराम से, ऐसा भी नहीं है.
Same goes with Uttar Pradesh also. The same issues transfer from state to state, but states are dealing with this issue at serious point of level. But in Delhi, it's just as same कि we are really feel unsafe at night. Our parents stopped us because they have the issue na ki for our safety only, for their daughter's safety only, women are still unsafe in Delhi.
As what do you want your neta to raise or to talk about?
ये जो जितने भी रिलीजन इश्यूज है ये हमेशा इलेक्शन टाइम ही क्यों उठते हैं? मेन बात ये है कि ये पहले नहीं उठते हैं, लेकिन इलेक्शन टाइम ये सब इतने उठ जाते हैं कि लोग इसी के ऊपर सिर्फ ध्यान देते हैं और वोट करते समय इसमें ध्यान नहीं देते कि हमें जिसमें ध्यान देना चाहिए, हमें एजुकेशन ना हमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, उस पर सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं. उनको सिर्फ रिलीजन याद आता है कि नहीं धर्म ही हमारा सब कुछ है, धर्म ही हमें खाना देगा, धर्म हमें सब कुछ देगा.
The only woman candidate contesting from Delhi believes that safety of women will be taken care of. In Delhi, because of its nature, law and order is not under the Delhi government. So you as a member of parliament, if at all you are elected, have a responsibility on your shoulder to echo the sentiments of the people on the ground, because we just don't feel safe.
I think come July things will change. The laws like IPC, CRPC and the Evidence Act that we inherited from the British were actually product of a colonial rule. For the first time, Bharat is going to get a criminal justice system where the laws are going to be made by Bharatiya, keeping Bharatiya people in mind. If a law it has a level of deterrence to it, it will automatically control the crime. And because the new laws are so strict and so clear, they don't have a separate defining section and a separate punitive section. It's very, very clearly drafted. I think you're going to see a remarkable change in Delhi. 40-year-old Basuri Swaraj is the candidate from New Delhi constituency. In her campaign, she invokes her mother, veteran BJP leader Sushma Swaraj, who passed away a few years ago.
और मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, याद रखना वचन पूर्ति की पराकाष्ठा का नाम है नरेंद्र मोदी.
Veteran Bharatiya Janata Party leader late Sushma Swaraj's daughter Basuri Swaraj is campaigning in the New Delhi constituency. She is hoping to win against Aam Aadmi Party's Somnath Bharti. She says she has a fresh set of ideas for the people of this New Delhi constituency, which is in fact battling the regular problems of Bijli, Sadak, Pani. In spite of the fact that this is where Lutyens Delhi is. Delhi's richest live in this particular area, but it's a mix as far as the constituency is concerned. It also has urban slums, and Basuri says that she knows what the problems are and is willing to address them. Basuri Swaraj, I've met your mother earlier, and what a legacy that Mrs. Sushma Swaraj has left behind. What do you have to say about filling in those shoes?
I would be a fool to try to fulfill those shoes. There can only be one Sushma Swaraj. I'm here to be the best version of Basuri Swaraj. And yes, I must have done something really right in my last life to deserve a mother like Srimati Sushma Swaraj. But I'll tell you, as far as my political journey is concerned, I'm just a Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party and nothing more.